Hello all my crafty friends. Today I would like to share with you Couture. I am so excited. My daughter had just received her kit and we just revealed it. So I'm going to show you some of the pieces and I just can't wait to play. In her kit she has the catalog, which is really cool because sometimes looking online is not as easy as it is looking in a catalog. So I love the fact that I have this, and it might disappear. She might not have this for a while.
Taking my catalog?
Gonna take your catalog. I'm gonna put this aside for a moment because that's a little bit of a detail I don't know much about. I'm gonna show you a couple of the chalkboard boards that they provide or that they have for purchase. This one is, help me out,
it's the 10-inch round.
the 10-inch round petite board. I actually really like this one. It does have some string to hang, so we're going to have a lot of fun chalking on this. This beauty, oh, I love this. Take a look at that frame if you could see it. I'm not sure if the distressed look is coming through on the camera. I absolutely love this board, and I am working towards getting the really big one. This is the Aiden board, the 9x12 Aiden board, and it is magnetic and porcelain steel. So it's a really good chalkboard. And this is all her, some information for a designer, some of her reading material. In her kit she got some thank you cards. They're so cute.
You can always make me more when I need her.
Yep, I can make her more with envelopes, so that will get her started. And this is one of these small squeegees. They have a handled squeegee. They have a multiple edge squeegee or something like that. Anyway, multi-angle. This is the one that comes with the starter kit. Sure that you can use other things, but we're going to try what they recommend using, and maybe we can do some comparisons. That is nice.
Not like stiff or anything.
An apron. It says Couture on it.
Supply section online?
You want the catalog? Always good to have an apron. These are what they call Chalkology paste, and they are 3 ounces, 3-ounce containers. This one is pretty color. This is guava and peony. Don't know if actually the camera looks brighter than it actually is. It's a lighter pink. This one is parakeet green and bright white, and this one is Couture teal, which is my daughter's favorite color. So those are the plates. Now these are the transfers. Here's the Welcome Trio. Okay, this one is When in Doubt. It says When in doubt, add glitter. Yeah, that's me. This one is Today I Choose. So it says today I choose, and then you can choose either to put chocolate or joy. Pretty cool. Chocolate. And these two are specifically for the designer to help with her business. This is for her to put on her vision board so she can keep track of her goals and why she's working for that goal, and so on and so forth. And then this one says, Couture, make money beautifully. Ask me how. And then the Couture symbol, logo, sorry. This is really good to put on the boards for when she goes to shows or craft shows or events, that she can have the sign up for that. Here's some little ones for spring, great for Easter. There's 12 of them on there. And then this one's my favorite. Can't wait to play with this one. Look how gorgeous. It says, don't bother me, I'm procrastinating. That is me. So, in the next week or two, I'm going to be putting up some videos of us playing around with our new products. And I hope that you share, like, and follow me so you can and me listen to her over there. Okay.
We'll link my stuff down below too.
So I hope you are subscribed to my channel so you can see all the crafty things that my daughter and I make.